Saturday and it's raining. So I wanted to make something nice, something amazing, and we Goans without coconut is nothing, and with coconut jaggery also is nothing. So I scraped some coconut, I scraped some jaggery, and this is maida, and one egg and little bit of oil and water. We have to mix and mix and mix. Mixing with water और थोड़ा पानी नीचे भी गिर गया. Mix it till it is no lumps. But you can see there are lumps over here and I'm very lazy. So what I'll do is I'll strain it over here and I'll remove all the lumps. Here I have removed all the lumps, and see the consistency has to be thin. It has to be more thinner than this, so I put little more water and you have to just strain it. It's easy peasy, and put little salt and put on the gas. Let the pan become hot, and we need little ghee. Remind you, little, थोड़ा सा ही चाहिए, ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए, नहीं तो वो नहीं होगा, उधर से उधर it will flow. We need little. मैंने तो बहुत ज़्यादा डाल दिया था, इससे भी थोड़ा चाहिए, okay? इससे भी थोड़ा. And then you have to pour. Now I'm pouring with one hand, another hand is like taking the video, so it did not pour properly. It has to be nice. It cannot be round. It can be round or may not be round. That is not a worry, but it has to be very thin. So जैसे ही हम बैटर डालते हैं, and this shaking thing should happen. You should shake it so that it becomes very thin. Otherwise वो thick रह जाता है. And then you have to close it so that it cooks little while. So I'm trying to do it over here again to make it very thin. हाँ पूरा thin करना है, thin. Don't worry, it will come out. It will be unsticking from the pen nicely, amazingly. If you see over here, after like 2 minutes you have to remove the dhakkan and it just flips, and then you have to remove and put it on another plate, and this plate you will be using to make the roll. So the one that is cooked should be outside, that is below, and the one that is not cooked, that is like on the top, it cooked with the steam, should be on the above side, and that will be the inside. And whatever is there, so this is coconut jaggery, nothing else. After this is done, we have to make a roll. So we have to make it like a burrito. Now I'm doing this with one hand, so it's not becoming. Otherwise you have to just roll it from the side so it becomes, and it doesn't fall out. ओके शौरमा जैसे करना है पूरा, नहीं तो वो पूरा जब एक जगह पे बाइट करेगा तो दूसरी जगह से निकल जाएगा. सो यू हैव टू डू अ रोल लाइक दिस. AlleBelle, we call this AlleBelle. And then you have to put it in one container so it keeps warm. Yay! And it's so yummy, and this is like perfect quantity I made, and it is enough for all these. So I'll enjoy the AlleBelle with amazing chai. I hope you all loved this, and I hope you all go and make this. It's very easy and it's very fast to make, and it's yummy.